Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Visa Debit gift card to your PS5. Let's get started. Using a Visa gift card on your PlayStation 5 is a great way to make purchases in the PlayStation Store without using a traditional credit card. The process is quick, but you need to ensure the card is activated and you enter the details correctly. First, from your PS5 home screen, navigate to and open the PlayStation Store. Once inside the store, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon, or three dots. Select this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Payment Methods. This will take you to your wallet and payment management screen. Here, select the option to Add a payment method, or Add credit debit card. You'll then be prompted to input your card details. Since you're using a Visa gift card, select Credit Debit Card as the type. Now, carefully enter the 16-digit card number from the front of your gift card. The system will recognize it as a Visa. Next, input the expiration date, MM/YY, and the CVV security code from the back of the card. For the Name on Card field, you can enter your own name. A crucial step is the billing address. You must provide a billing address for the transaction to be verified. For a gift card, simply use your own home address. Make sure the zip postal code you enter matches this address exactly. This step is mandatory even for prepaid cards. Before you start, it's essential that your Visa gift card is activated. Most cards require you to call a number on the back or visit the issuer's website to activate them, and sometimes set a zip code. If you haven't done this, the payment will be declined. Once all details are entered, confirm and save. If the information is correct and the card is active, it will be added to your wallet. You can now use it to buy games, subscriptions, or add funds to your PlayStation wallet. Remember, you can only spend up to the available balance on the card. If you have multiple cards, you can repeat this process to add them all. You can also remove any card at any time from the same Payment Methods menu. Managing your payments and gaming accounts online highlights the importance of digital security. To protect your personal information and transactions on any network, using a VPN is a smart move. For reliable protection, check out NordVPN at the link in the description.